Alright guys, in this video I was with Kazumi. She's like a big OF model, etc. And I'm pretty curious. You guys know on this channel, it's anything I do on stream, whatever. I'm pretty curious on how much money these stars make. So I asked her finances, we talked a little bit about business, and she showed me the exact numbers she makes, and it was actually mind-blowing. So let's get straight into the video. You guys listen to our conversation. It's stupid how easy it is to make money if you got some nice titties.
How many videos do you have?
I would say probably like over 300.
That's crazy.
But I would say this
You have as
year,
many porn videos as I have YouTube videos.
That's a fuck ton of videos.
That's
Yeah.
wild.
Well, I mean, I've been doing this for 2 years, but I would say like my stuff this year is really solid. My stuff last year was kind of mid.
Like the stuff this year is rock hard.
No, this year I fucked Angela White, I fucked Adriana Chechik, I fucked Violet Myers, like I fucked all these big dick guys. Last year
Those
I
are
was
girls,
just
but
doing,
yeah.
Yeah. In real life, I don't have sex like the way I do on camera.
Stop, it's real life.
Yeah, but that's like.
It's real life.
It's
What are
for
you
people to jack off to.
VTube fucking like?
No, it's for people to jack off to, so I'm performing and like going nuts. But like when I have sex with normal guys, like it's a lot less pressure. Like I just want to enjoy a person. What do you think of the girl who was twitching naked or streaming naked, or like she was having sex on camera?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good for her.
I feel like it's a little inappropriate, but
Of course
like,
it
we
is.
do like hot tub streams and we talk about
Yeah,
sex.
who cares, right?
Like we talk about jacking off like for like 30% it is.
Yeah. Does your mom know what you do?
That's me and my mom.
No troll?
That's my mom.
This is your actual mom?
Yeah.
Are you not trolling?
Yeah, that's me and my mom.
That's so cool. When you collab with someone, do they pay you?
Well, no, it's my video too, so I can make money off it as
You
well.
can both upload it to your own.
Yeah, I can both. So yeah, we were after it.
Because it's behind a paywall anyway, so anyone subs.
Yeah. So it like is great collabs. I mean, the same way you guys collab. Like it's great. It's great for us to be like,
Yeah.
okay, dude. Well, I fuck him with London Unplugged, not just by.
Yeah. Right. That's cool.
Yeah. No, it's like it's. I mean, he's cool. We like.
Do you film it every time you do it?
I've only had sex with him for work, not for fun.
Okay. Do you ever fuck somebody off camera?
Yeah, but like I'm like pretty like work-minded, you know what I mean? Like I would prefer to do it for work. I also feel like I would try more if it was for work versus like if it was just me like at like a.
So you
guy's
never
house.
have passionate.
I do, but it's like I'm really picky with those guys because it's like, you know, like why wouldn't we just film it? Because I would rather make money off of it.
How many gangbangs have you been in?
Dude, so many. Well, I feel like for me, it's like more efficient to turn things into an orgy than like do it one by one. I make 300.
Please, we
on
do
my
real business
OnlyFans.
here.
Yeah, real busy.
You do make 300 on your OnlyFans a year.
A month.
300K.
I can be your sugar mama.
That's crazy.
I could take you out.
There's the real crazy part is that there's that many guys paying her that.
Yeah,
How much is your OF subscription?
$3.
But you don't have 100K subs. There's extra like paid chat shit, right?
Well, there's like paid like videos are like $10 to $15.
How fast did it take you from your first month to your second?
I blew up during the pandemic because I didn't want to go outside.
Can I say it?
Yeah, you could say it. I would say like during COVID, I started.
Oh, your first month you made 1,000.
Yeah,
That's a lot for your first month.
I had an office job for a second.
But how'd you make 1,000 that fast?
I had videos. Like I've always had sex tapes with me of like with guys in college.
But how does the word get around?
I would live promo. Like I would like.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I would do
Instagram?
SFS. Yeah, I would do SFS, Twitter promo, Instagram promo, OnlyFans promo.
Shout out for shout out?
Yeah, I would just gamble like my fucking.
This is actually crazy, chat. October 2019. Is this exclusive? Have you said this anywhere?
I've said this in places, yeah. I'll like break it down how I make a lot of money too. I'm just really active with my fans. Like I'm on my Discord like every day. I have a YouTube channel.
October 2019, $1,100. Okay, then you go about 1 year later. She's making 55K a month, and it's exponential. It goes 1K, 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 2K, $800, 1.5K, 800, 2.5, 16K, 30, 40, 55, 100, 115, 140, 170, 200, 300.
Yeah, my No Jumper interview was probably last summer.
Can I show this?
Yeah, you can show that.
Chat. Net 4 mil. 4 mil. In the past 3 days, she's made 28K. And she made 300 last month.
Yeah.
I'm in the wrong profession.
Also, like, consistency. Like, I like my job, but and also I would say it's like 5% collabs, but then like 95% customer service. Like, I'm on the Twitch stream with you, do a YouTube video of someone,
Right.
do a skit.
You ever refuse to work with someone?
Not really. Not someone that I haven't already worked with.
If someone like hits you up and says, let's collab.
OnlyFans collab?
Yeah.
It would have to be someone that would make sense. Like
Really?
I have like such a big library of professionals, you know?
Because like, let's say theoretically you could get Heel Mike on a video
Yeah.
and he would show his face and you could pay 50K. You'd realistically net a lot more by giving him 50K to do that, right?
I paid you. So the thing with collabs is it's a free trade, right? So if we did a collab, you would get the video, I'd get the video. What you want to do with it is your business. Put it on Pornhub, whatever. I put it on mine from yours. If I pay you, you cannot use the video. You know?
Yeah, that's the
And I
point.
feel like I would rather you be able to sell it too.
No, but the point is like, Heel Mike doesn't have an OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Let's say he was willing to fuck you but not post it on OnlyFans.
Uh-huh.
You then offer 30K to Heel Mike.
30K.
Hey, let me give you 30K.
30K for
Let me give you
Heel Mike
30K to let me post your face.
Uh-huh.
What? That would be a sick business move. Are you
I don't-
trolling? You would make way more.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I guess because it's my lifetime. You're right. You know, it's like it's like something I own for the rest of my life.
You don't think you'd net over $1 million from an 18 Ross sex tape?
No, I would.
So why would you only be willing to pay 100K?
I would have to like. I'm not like a.
Sorry,
Twitch
I'm just
person.
asking business here because I'm trying to get to understand it.
Realistically, I don't know enough about the Twitch world to see what because realistically, I could fuck a fucking celebrity, you know, and like I have celebrities in my DMs as well, but I don't know if the public interest would want to see it that much when leaks exist, you know, because an Aiden Ross sex tape would be leaked so fucking fast. Obviously, I would have fans that would come in and support, and it would become a thing. But it's like I would pay 100K and like expect.
Right, but
yeah.
Mayweather fucking Logan Paul fight, you know,
Yeah.
it gets leaked everywhere. Everyone's watching it
people
on
still
illegal
watch
shit,
it.
but it still makes $100 million.
Yeah.